A law protecting police officers is signed on the day that others are remembered. Good evening, everyone. I'm Susan Simon.
And I'm Eric Franke. It's a bill one area deputy was pushing for after a suspect who critically injured him was never prosecuted. News 3's Jessica Arp joins us now to explain. Jess.
Well, stiffer penalties will face criminals who resist arrest, one of the larger dangers for law enforcement officers. One area deputy knows them firsthand and says he's relieved this will help protect his colleagues. As law enforcement and state officials pause to reflect on those fallen in the line of duty,
the post never ends.
A bill is taking effect that will help create consequences for injuring those who serve.
Oh yeah, it's a very big day.
The Police Protection Act was supported by Dane County Deputy Dale Vito, who was critically injured after a 15-year-old in a stolen car hit him during a high-speed chase. That young man couldn't be charged for causing those injuries.
I had a phone call from the district attorney's office saying that intent was an issue, that they felt it couldn't be proven even though there was tons of evidence to show otherwise.
The law will now say if a suspect injures an officer while resisting arrest, they will automatically be charged with a felony.
I think just to take the mental stress out of the person that's injured, that being you don't have to worry about did he intend to do it, ultimately he did it.
I think part of it is there need to be consequences for your action, but I do think for at least some criminals there will be an element of deterrence here.
It'll be a big step, but there's absolutely no way to forget it.
Law enforcement say there are many close calls and the law is an important step.
As every officer knows, the dedication to protecting others from harm may require facing dangers that can even end tragically, even with the best possible training.
There's definitely a significance of having a law that will provide law enforcement greater protection on a day that we remember those that have given the ultimate sacrifice.
Deputy Vito is trying to move on from his injuries, which included both legs being broken. He's back at work since January on mainly desk duties, but is hoping to go back on the road in a month or two, and he says this law will hopefully be a great protection for he and his colleagues once he gets back.
Very emotional day today. Jessica Arp reporting. Thanks, Jess.